it's Jill, founder of Kids Baking Club, and it is What Is It Wednesday. Every single week we come to you and we ask you what you think it might be. We do a kitchen tool and a food item. We give you some hints and then you have to guess. You ready for today? Okay, the kitchen tool is, hint number one, is something you cut with. What do you think that is? Second guess. It's not a knife. Okay, so if you had said knife, you're ruling it out. Third hint, it's not scissors. Nope. Fourth guess. Fourth hint, I mean, fourth guess. Fourth hint is it has a circle on it. What do you think it is? All right, last hint, because I know you're gonna get it now. It is something you would use to cut pizza. Yes, you're right. It is a pizza cutter. These are so great. But do you know I use these to use for when I make cookies, to cut out my cookies. I use it to actually cut small vegetables like scallions. It's a little bit easier to cut with than with a knife. So there's a lot of uses with the pizza cutter. It is sharp, so you do not want to roll it over or have hands around, so you have to be careful with it. Most of them have this nice ledge that you can kind of rest your fingers, so it's really great. Okay, are you ready for your food item? All right, first hint. This is a spice. Any guesses? This spice comes from a root. So you can actually buy this root in the grocery store. So the third hint is you would grate this root and actually you would dry it out, and then it makes this spice that you might use in your recipes. Any guesses? All right, fourth hint is you would use this spice if you were going to be making cookies. A certain kind of cookies. Do you know? All right, last one is you would use this spice if you were making ginger snap cookies or gingerbread cookies. What spice do you think it is? You're right. It is ginger spice, and it comes from the ginger root, which is really actually very good for you. And if you've ever had sushi, you have that little ginger that they give you before you eat the sushi. Some people like it, some people don't. I happen to really like it. But they also take this root, they dry it out, and it makes this amazing smell. So good, and it's perfect for baking, and actually you can use it in all kinds of sauces and soups and lots of dishes. So I hope you have some ginger around the house. You can add this with some of the things that you're making. All right, we will see you next time for What Is It Wednesday?